Hi folks, and welcome back to Math with Captain Rod. I'm making this video here to talk about parabolas. So, parabolas are curves that have this type of shape here, and they have a special point called a vertex, which is at this point on the parabola. Now, parabolas can open up or down. Sometimes they look like this. Sometimes they look, more like this, in which case the vertex would be right here. I'm going to let h and k represent the x and y coordinates of the vertex. And equation-wise, parabolas have what's called a standard form to them. The standard form for a parabola is y equals a times x minus h, quantity squared, plus k. In this equation here, a is some number. If a is positive, it means that the parabola opens up. So if a is greater than 0, then the parabola looks kind of like this. If a is negative, it means the parabola opens down. So if a is less than 0, then we got a parabola that's something like this. Okay. The vertex is at the point hk. And what this will allow us to do is we'll be able to use this kind of general form here to graph parabolas by taking whatever equation we've got that's describing the parabola and writing it in this form. Now, there's another form that parabolas are written in. That's y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So in this form, the x-coordinate of the vertex h is equal to minus b over 2a. I'm going to save the y on that for another video here. And then you would get the y-coordinate of the vertex by taking this value and just subbing it into the equation and calculating k. So this is meant to be just kind of an introductory video here on parabolas. They have this type of shape. They either open up or sometimes they open down. They have a vertex here. That's the point h, k in general. Written in this form, if a is positive, they open up. A negative, they open down. And the coordinates of the vertex are the points hk. Written in this form, the parabola opens up if this a is positive, opens down if this term here, or this a, is negative. X-coordinate of the vertex is at minus b over 2a. You would just look at these values here, minus b over twice a, calculate a number. You then take that number and run it in for x to calculate y, which tells you, this value. So again, this was just meant to be an introductory video here. I'll save the examples for another one. Hope that this was a reasonable introduction for you. Have a great day.